I didn't. I took the Apple Vision Pro on an airplane and became the first person to travel with it on an airplane and blog about it. As soon as I got the headset in my hands and got to meet Tim Cook along the way, I went on an international flight. New York City to Montreal, but still international. Of course, what happens? Well, there's no TV in the seat back. But while everyone else was bored stiff, I was able to take an almost unlimited amount of screens to just surround myself. I was able to watch the movie Ready Player One, listen to music, browse Twitter, and review all my trip photos and videos without anyone seeing my screens. Multitasking and doing so privately is a real thing on the Apple Vision Pro. It taught me a lot about spatial computing. First, you can multitask with the Apple Vision Pro. And there's a lot of confusion around this because you are limited to one virtual monitor that extends from your MacBook when using your MacBook, but all those other virtual screens around you, there's really no cap. I say this with some hesitation because, second, as I toured Montreal, I had to rely on a power bank constantly. Back when I was at the Apple Store in New York City, I did one really smart thing. I picked up this Mophie Power Station Pro and a high-powered SpeedPort 67-watt GAN wall charger, higher than the 30-watt charger that Apple gives you in the box. So this 20,000 milliamp battery enabled me to survive the whole flight and back. Conversely, when I wasn't attached to some sort of power, I did experience floated windows disappearing and screen recording stopping abruptly, dozens of times. It was frustrating. So if you're gonna go outside, daisy chain a power bank like this one. Link in the description below. Lastly, the Apple Vision Pro lives up to the hype as a first generation product. It has all the vibes of the iPhone 1, the iPad 1, the Apple Watch 1. It's mind-blowing technology for its time that's meant for early adopters and developers willing to pay $3,500. Recall, the iPhone 1 launched at $600 on a 2-year contract, not $199 like the next iPhones. It had no app store, no copy and paste, no front-facing cameras, selfies weren't even a thing. That's what the Apple Vision Pro is like. It's the first mixed reality headset to get excited about, but the technology is in its infancy. I'll be covering the Apple Vision Pro even more on this channel, so like, subscribe, stay tuned, and stay charged.